Hello students. So all were waiting for the admit cards. What happened? Nothing has happened. Nothing has happened twice. Yeah, this is what NTA has done to us. But obviously this was not a baseless decision. We all know our medical team, our government and our complete organization has given a probability of third wave of corona will be at the peak at the end or during the months of October and November. So obviously that was already in the mind. They have planned it in such a way that this thing can come up anytime, and they have to postpone the exam because they cannot bear such kind of chaos, especially with the students, the people who are already seeking for the job or are struggling in the life. So obviously government is already taking some precautions because of this. But if I say that I have researched on it, yes, I have researched on it in a very detailed way. But I have also gone through some videos which in a very hurry-burry some YouTubers have uploaded, and they said they instigated the students for mailing NTA. NTA does not pick calls on the landline numbers, and their students have emailed them, and they are responsible for the extending of the dates or postponing of the date. That cannot happen. Okay, because if some mails are there in a government organization or an institution, they obviously do inquiry on that whether such things exist or not. So NTA has also taken a very wise decision, because if I say that I have researched on it, that what are the examinations there in during this period of 17 October to 24 October, yes, there are 15 examinations which are scheduled. I have a complete list of this examination which are scheduled between 17 to 25 October because of that, and they all are major examination. Students must have filled these for these, because someone who is coming in the teaching profession used to fill the all kind of teaching examination which are probably on the same dates or nearby dates. Similarly, they are on the for the similar post. So students used to fill that. They cannot look only after one, that if someone is filling for a UPSC, then he must be filling for the state administrative services also. So similarly, if a student is filling for NTA, they must be filling for the state eligibility examination, PGTs, TGTs and such kind of different examinations. So there are several examinations are here which are lined up between them, and students are confused to take a decision whether to go for it. And because of such kind of situation of India today, the level of unemployment is there. So government has taken a very wise decision to give students chance to attempt all the examination. NTA is working on a nationwide platform. It is conducting your exam since 1970s. And NTA is taking the DU entrance examination, all kind of JNU entrance examination. Your UGC is a newly body added to it, but UPSC, NEET, IITG, all the examinations are conducted by NTA. It is a very organized organization and institution, and even I should say that you all should support it. You all should be in favor of NTA, because you are ultimately going to be a part of it. You all wanted to be a part of UGC, you all wanted to be a part of NTA somewhere and somehow, so you should agree with the decision somewhere. And it is being said, I should say it in Hindi also, that कहा जाता है ना, जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है. So you all get a time of more 15-20 days to prepare for your examination in a well-versed way. Right? As Mark Twain has said, that if you get 10 days to take an attempt to cut a tree, then spend 9 days for the polishing of the knife. So you should also sharpen your knife in the extended days, so that you can give it a cut on the 10th day. Okay, so nail your examination, give your best result with the extended dates. But let's talk about the facts. If I talk about the first paragraph of this notification, because whatever notification we have, if you will read it, then you will find what NTA has done. In the first paragraph, they have said that first notification what we get is on 3rd of September 2021. And on that they said that June examination will be there along with it, and the examination will be between 6th October to 11th or 12th October. So they have given the 7 days date for your first attempt. But why it has been extended? Because UPPSC GIC prelims was there, RPSC exam was there, RS exam was there, REIT examination was there, and all examinations will belong to your teaching post. Okay, these are the very common things. If you will know that 19th October your GIC was there, 22 is the prelims, or you can say the pre-examination of RPSC was there, 26, 27 September was REIT examination, and after that your RPSC examination was the last date for your RPSC subjective exams. Okay, and then 10th of October was UPSC prelims exam. Today is your UPSC prelims exam. So first of all the best to the students who are taking it, but NTA cannot clash its own two exams. Okay, UPSC is conducted by NTA and UGC is also conducted by NTA. So they cannot clash their own examination. So the dates has to be extended. Now in the second part, they said that they have received several applications and mails in which students are saying that they have filled for these important examinations which are scheduled between 17 to 24 of October, and they all have to attempt it. And again NTA has taken this decision in favor of the students. What are the common examinations which are scheduled in this period? First is 27 October RPSC RAS exam, administrative services. Then UP aided high school teacher examination, UP SSSC examination lower PSC, Rajasthan Patwari, JNK PSC exam, Assam TET, HPSSC clerical examination, UP Super TET, very important exam, UP Super TET, BSSSC exam mains, UPPSC ACT RFO prelims exam, NTA DU entrances are also scheduled in October end, and MPSC state service examination, that is of MP, that is also scheduled. So many important examinations are scheduled between 17 to 24 of October. So obviously they has to take this decision of postponing the examination in favor of you students. Okay, don't get influenced by a raw data, don't get influenced by unresearched videos which the tutors or YouTubers are posting here to befool you. Don't get influenced by these YouTubers. But I just want all of you to take a proper information, the actual reasons behind the decision, because you all are going to be teachers. You all are going to be professors, and if you will work on raw data, if you will work on just a superficial knowledge or just a hop knowledge, that will not work for you. You need to be in an apt knowledge, you need to be in an appropriate knowledge. So please do that. Do a proper research, understand the meaning of research, and do that before taking any decision or get influenced by anyone. That is my request to all of you. Now, according to the third paragraph, which NTA has said that you all have to be in touch of the websites, regular visit the website and take the authentic information. That is very correctly they have said, because all these YouTubers used to influence you according to their own knowledge, their own researches, their own assumptions. Don't get all these. Take authentic information by visiting NTA's website. If you students cannot do that, we are already doing it. We will do it and we will post it in our all social medias like FB pages, all other sources, the WhatsApp groups, the Telegram group. I used to post that, and I think others also do that, right? So we are already giving you the information. It will somewhere and somehow will reach to you. Another thing, what is the probability of the next date? That is the question which students are actually looking for. The probability of next date, when the next dates will be. See, again after 25 November, the UP PSC assistant professor exams are there. HESC, that is Higher Education Secondary Commission's exam is there. GIC exam is there. So obviously after 25th of November to 10th of December, these examinations are scheduled subject wise. Then your Haryana TET examination in the second paragraph, when it is saying that we have received several mails and on the basis of that they have postponed the dates. Okay. Now I'm coming on the point of probability. What are the probability of examinations? The probability of examination is between 10th of November to 25th of November, because after 25th of November your UPPSC assistant professor, UPPSC, HESC, GIC, HTET and several such examinations are again scheduled. So definitely NTA will provide the dates between 10th to 25th of November, and because of maybe Chhat Puja or any other occasion, they can it is possible that they will provide you the dates between 15th of November to 25th of November. So now stay tuned with us. I will give you all the authentic information, and just to save you from fooling from any of the YouTuber, you can cross check the dates and examination provided on the authentic websites. Okay, the official websites of the particular government websites, NTA or other websites, you can check the dates of examination, so that you will get to know the real reasons behind postponing of the exam. And now we will give you the information about the next notification of NTA. Will update you with the authentic information and data on a priority basis. Stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching me.